are watching the Cooking with Jack show.
Hey guys, welcome to the show. Okay, we literally 5 minutes ago changed the idea of our video completely because last night we reviewed a hibachi place on Jack and the Go. The one thing that was mind-blowing is how silky and tender the steak and chicken were. So I talked to the cook. I said, look, what do you guys soak this in? What do you do with the meat to make it so tender? He said it's a process called velveting. I'm like, you're velveting the meat? He said, yeah. He gave me the recipe, super easy. We're going to try it tonight. That's it. So come on in close. I'll show you what we're going to do. The ingredients. We're going to test it out. See if velveting works at home or only at the restaurant, which I expect it to work here. So we'll see. It's supposed to be pretty simple. You treat the meat with the baking soda, then you rinse it all off and get the baking soda off. Then you can cook it like regular we're going to use lemon pepper and holy garlic and a little of this red boat fish sauce. And we're going to cook it up. So first we'll treat it. So let's get this cut up first. Okay, guys. By the way, this is so easy. What he told me with the baking soda that if this works, I'm probably going to do all my meat like this. Okay? And you take, I'll have the recipe down below. Basically. There you go. Got that all mixed up. Take that. Okay, take your hand. You can use a food glove if you feel more like a food glove. Go ahead. I don't care. I'm just going to wash my hand when I'm done. Okay. You're going to toss it in the baking soda. Now, let this sit in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. So we're going to pop it in right now, and we're going to cook it up. All right, guys, been in the refrigerator for a half hour. We're going to take a piece of meat, rinse it off, pat dry it, and put it on this plate. Okay? So let me show you real quick here. For those of you who don't get it. It's weird, it does feel a little slick in my hand, but I couldn't imagine 30 minutes would make all the difference in the world. Okay, we rinsed it, we pat dried it, and it's on the plate. Do that with all your meat and get it on over here. Okay, guys, we're going with a little bacon grease in the pan. We're going to cook up the meat. I got a little boat sauce, holy garlic, some lemon pepper here. Season it up. I like it rare so it can take long. So I will see you back to the island. Can never have too much garlic. And you can never have too much lemon pepper. Take a little bit of this red boat fish sauce. Give it a little bit. There we go. And give it a good mix. Okay, guys, it's all beautiful. It's all seasoned. When I was taking it and pat drying it, the meat was already a little silky. It felt weird. Almost like, you know how meat goes bad and gets a little greasy? That's what it felt like. But it wasn't bad. So, let's give this a try. And if this works, I'm always doing this. This is amazing if it works. I have no idea if this worked or not. So we're going to try it. It's got a little bit of a glossy look, but I think that's normal. Make sure it's not too hot. Oh my God, it worked right away. It worked really good. I mean, I don't know. I never knew that. I literally have never heard about this till recently. That took 30 minutes in the fridge. We're gonna try that again, like on a big steak or something, or on ribs. I don't know. That was amazing. It really works. Can you tell I'm shocked? Give it a try. I'm gonna try on chicken next. All right. I love you guys. I'll see you on the next episode. Bye bye.